Hello everyone and welcome to the video. I am Samradni Gaikwad from Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. In this video, I am going to discuss about passive transformation and subject raising. Passive transformation. Passive sentences are derived from their active counterparts by a rule of transformation which moves their object noun phrases to the subject position in addition to making other modifications. Examples of passive transformation. Example number 1. John reads a book. The passive transformation of this sentence is a book is read by John. Example number 2. I can drive a car. The passive transformation of this sentence is a car can be driven by me. The passive transformation is used in many instances for the following purposes. 1. To put more emphasis on the word that would be the object of an active sentence. 2. To write an impersonal sentence. 3. To simplify the structure of a complex sentence. Next point is passive agent deletion. In many instances, we delete the agent in passive sentences. That is known as passive agent deletion. Examples. Example number 1. The cake was eaten. Example number 2. The homework is completed. Next point is subject raising. It involves raising the subject from lower part of a sentence, that means subordinate clause, to become the subject of a higher part of a sentence, usually the main clause. Examples of subject raising. Example number 1. Sentence A. It seems that you are worried. Sentence B. You seem to be worried. Meaning of both sentences is same. The subject of sentence A is it. In other words, a subject with no meaning. The subject of sentence B is you and it is called as raised subject. Example number 2. It's likely that they are waiting in the office. After raising the subject, sentence becomes they are likely to be waiting in the office. Example number 3. It appears that we missed them and the sentence becomes we appear to have missed them. This is about passive transformation and subject raising. Thank you for watching the video.